Zapier automations can fail unexpectedly. Learn why your Zaps break and simple ways to fix. Let's find out. Zapier struggles with complex workflows. API changes, expired tokens, and data mismatches cause breaks. Its no-code design can't always adapt like custom automation can. Zapier works great for simple tasks, but hits a complexity ceiling with multiple branches and error handling. This leads to tangled Zaps that are hard to debug and maintain. Troubleshoot failures by checking Zap history for error details. Test each step alone and re-authenticate apps after updates. Zapier's AI tool can help but isn't perfect. If fixing Zaps becomes a constant struggle, consider alternatives like Make for Better branching, N8N for custom control, or custom API integrations for mission-critical workflows. Constantly fixing broken Zaps wastes time and money. Build scalable automations that work reliably to support your business growth. Ready to stop Zapier failures? Book a free discovery call with Tech Adventures Tampa Bay to design reliable workflows that scale with your business.